Another one in a dramatic come-from-behind run with the informed Dane Nelson aboard stole a march on the field to land the feature Charles Hussey OD Trophy at Caymanas Park on Sunday. Denise Waters has a racing review.
It was Come Home to Me and Commander Z that were on the headlines, with the 3-year-old Bay kept off the fractions in overnight company, going over the 5-straight course. But under a ride from Dane Nelson, another one on the stand side caught Commander Z and the pair engaged in a nail-biting stretch duel.
Has to get going as they're about to arrive at the quarter pole. They've got to catch Come Home to Me. Commander Z traveling powerfully nearest to us. On the far side, that is another one now kicking into gear, but they race toward the furlong pole. Commander Z is nearest to us. Come Home to Me in the center. Another one now looks to have struck the front inside the final furlong. It is another one being driven flat to the boards. This is a Charles Hussey OD. Another one. Commander Z now beginning to come with a late kick. Another one, and Commander Z, they've gone by. It's close.
Conditioned by Anthony Nunes and one of 2 winners for Nelson, another one with splits of 23-1, 45-4 just got there by a nose in 58 3/5. Meanwhile, Galloping the Veloz, one of 3 winners for Dane Dawkins, won the co-feature Master Blaster Trophy, a restricted allowance 3 contest going 5 furlongs straight. Trained by Louis Richards, 4-year-old Chestnut Colt Galloping the Veloz won in 59 2/5 by a nose. Trainer Gary Sabratis saddled the 2 winners. Racing continues on Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.